Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that. How to check block list on Facebook. The process is very simple and very easy. Open your Facebook app, and from here tap on these three lines, which are at the top right. Scroll down and tap on the option settings and privacy. Tap on the first option, settings. Scroll down, and you will find the option blocking. Tap on this one, because I have not blocked anyone yet. So that's why no one is here. You can also block someone from here. Simply tap on the option Add to Block List and search for the person like I am searching. And for an example, I want to block this person. Tap on the option block and tap on the option block. Now go back from here, and as you see, this person is blocked from Facebook. So it was a basic way by which you can block someone on Facebook and also check your block list. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.